Welcome to the 3-Minute Minis! We're gonna do a fondant unicorn cake topper today. I'm so excited. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you like the video. We've got lots more to show you. If you want to learn how to make fondant, I make marshmallow fondant and I've got a video to show you exactly how to make it. It is super easy and really inexpensive, especially compared to buying fondant at the store. And marshmallow fondant is so much tastier because it tastes like marshmallows instead of something that you just don't want to eat. The structural little sticks I put in this unicorn actually vary. Most of it is toothpicks, as you can see, but I also used raw spaghetti noodles, which also work really well. You have to be careful because spaghetti noodles will soften over time, so you want to make sure that anything that you need that's really structural needs to be either toothpick or wire. So here the unicorn is coming together, and here you can see I'm using wire for the main structure to hold up the head and the body up. These tools I'm gonna get into the description, and the liquid I'm using to stick everything together is just water because we all know that sugar and water get sticky. So I just use water to stick everything on. And all that powder on my hands, that's cornstarch. It's not sugar, it's cornstarch because cornstarch does not get all gummy and sticky when it senses moisture. This stuff keeps your hands and your fondant nice and dry the whole time. I'm brushing on a beautiful luster dust. This is rose pink colored. I got off Amazon. I made all this fondant the day before, so it was ready to go. And here's the raw spaghetti noodle that I was telling you about. I painted on a nice beautiful gold onto that unicorn horn with my edible gold dust. I mixed it with a little bit of edible oil. I believe the flavor was strawberry. I made the marbling effect with the mane and tail by laying some strips of pink in some white fondant and rolling it out. I used some more spaghetti to hold up the tail because it was slipping down, but it worked really good. Look at that beautiful tail. Oh my goodness, I love it. I made a bunch of cute flowers and painted them with some more purple dust and then painted on the beautiful golden hooves. So there you have it, 3 minutes or less. And if you want to learn how to make this photography light box for under $15, check out my video on that. It just came out. Don't forget to subscribe. Please do so. You won't regret it. I've got lots more coming, and I'll see you in the next 3-Minute Mini.